YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Bad Hemi back at you with another vid. I know it's been a minute, I know it's been a long time, but listen, man, I had a lot of personal issues going on recently in my life that are now, you know, pretty much finished. So I really don't want to, you know, get too far deep into that, but it's just safe to say that your boy is back in front of the camera. And today, y'all probably remember a video, probably about 2 videos ago, that we was gonna be getting the, you know, the new rims and tires mounted. Basically, they're not really new, you know, they off the previous vehicle, but we're doing something a little bit different one on this one. So, what am I talking about? Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm talking about by doing something different is we're doing, you know, two 275s up front and 305s in the back. Now, these are reverse mount wheels. Let's just say the first time around I took them to a reputable mopar dealer, and you know, a 30-minute tire change install turned into a 3 to 4 hour ordeal because they didn't know they were reverse mount wheels. Hold on, let me put this seatbelt on. Alright, bet. So as I was saying, they didn't know there was reverse mount wheels. So when they did do the install, it took them like forever to do the install. And in the process, they jacked up one of my rims. I'm not gonna name the dealership by name, but they know who they are. I'm excited. I'm anxious to, you know, start putting the pieces together to get, you know, the FINNALLY back off the ground. You know, first car was Project Big Night. I'm naming this one the Black Phoenix simply because, you know, the whole Phoenix rise from the ashes, rebirth, rebuild, all that jazz. So that's pretty much why I'm naming this particular build that. We got about a 28-minute ride till we get to Tire South. Tire South, they took good care of me the first time around. So I'll get back with y'all when we get there. As y'all can see in the back seat, 4 doors for more. I'm not gonna finish it, but 4 doors allows you to do stuff like this. While I would love to have a truck for this, it serves its purpose, man. But like I said, I get back with y'all when I get to Tire South. Okay, guys, we made it to Tire South. They look a little busy, man. Like, I wanted to get here at 8 o'clock when it opened, but you know your boy work overnight, man. So I had to go home, shower. Didn't take a nap or nothing, but just dragging a little bit. But it is what it is. We're here, we made it. Let's go ahead and, you know, get shit done.
You been with us before?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What's that phone number, bro?
404. Should be on the mic.
Yes, sir. Mr. Lyles?
That's it.
Chrysler 300?
Yep. It's gonna be a 19 this time, 715.
19 Chrysler?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I worked outside all night last night. It ain't fun.
Over and done with that.
Pays the bills.
Yeah, it does, but it ain't worth it.
Well,
Got the V6 and V8.
V8.
Hey, you got a Hemi in there.
Hey! That thing got a Hemi? Yeah. Sweet.
I drive a Hemi, so that's why.
Hey, all right, mopar man. I like it.
Yes, sir. I was a Ford man all my life.
Oh,
I owned 3 Dodges.
What you got?
94. I had a 94, I had a 97, and I got a 2012 right now.
My next purchase gonna be a quad.
I'll sell you mine right now. Got 170,000.
I just bought my own car. I need a tow pig for when I go racing. So
That's a hauler.
I know it. I know
It's
it.
got the light set up for you backing up and everything. Got the light bar on the front, everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna need all that when I go down to South Georgia.
Where you going? What county?
Yeah, you know, I'm in South Georgia Motor Park, and then you got shit, I can't think right now. Silver Dollar. Then we go up to Brandon, Headhunters. There's so many little hole in the wall tracks around here, man.
You go to the one over there, Eaton?
Yeah, I've been in that one too.
That's a shitty track, bro.
It is, but hey, you got a garage to get off there. That's where you go. Streets ain't where it's at no more, to be honest.
Shit, I got a 2-mile stretch over there beside my mom and dad help me raise anytime ain't no cars coming out.
See, that's what we need here somewhere. That'd be the shit if we had that here.
Line up, everybody scatter, you take off, and little whoever finish the finish line, you follow them on that. My boss has got a 350, and he wanted to race me in that 1500. I got the tip in that 1500.
With a little bully dog set up. Yeah.
His ball was in a scholarship tires. Quit. I already messed the transmission up one time, I had to fix it.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight to be moving. That's what it is. Okay, gang. So I got some unfortunate news. Basically, today's mission to getting these wheels and tires mounted was a complete disaster. With that said, the spacers that I needed to, get the front tires to fit were not the correct ones. I didn't go with the ones that shipped with my wheels. I went to another company because they were cheaper. They told me it was the same size as the one I originally had, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. So now I have to go call the original company that shipped me my wheels to basically make things right. So I got here at 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now 5 o'clock, 4:30, and a whole day wasted. I'm upset and pissed, not to mention 2 of my wheels got new damage on them. Of course they're going to say they didn't do it. It's just been a complete disaster today, man. And not to mention, look at my steering wheel. Scratches on it. Cuts in it like with a knife. But yeah, man, complete disaster today.
What the hell happened?
Huh? As y'all can see, that's the new shit, but it's scrubbing. That spacer, 1, it's too big. It's not even supposed to show. And 2, it's not doing the job. So we're gonna have to make it right. The struggles of this car shit, bro. Struggles of this car shit. So I'm trying to get these wheels and tires mounted, but I think my front tire's too wide. I had spacers on my first setup, but I keep getting the wrong spacers, man. As y'all can see, these are back tires. And the issue I'm running into is a 275, so it's hitting this control arm. Some of y'all might not know what that is. That's this right here. So we're gonna take the factory 245s and put them on the rim and see if we're still having issues, which is these right here, these 245s. I can get some big fat meats in the back, but it looks like we're gonna have to ride factory up front for us the tire size. So I'll keep y'all posted, man. Yeah, so as I was saying, these spaces he was saying is 2 inch. I think I need to go down to a 1 inch. But if I can run factory with no spaces is always the best route. Keep y'all posted. Remember, It's the same wheel, but it was thick. Remember, it wasn't thick enough, right?
Hey, you got the valve thing?
You take it off of that one.
You're gonna take that one, no more take it. You gonna only pay one, only put in one time, you no more take it out.
You got one?
Yeah, I have it, but you need two.
That's fine. I'll pay. I'll pay for two. Cause I think they reverse mount, right?
Yeah.
They reverse mount reels. Okay. Just try to take it easy on this. I don't want to scratch these up. Just do what you can.
Everything existe y todo.
So, as I was saying, fellas, we had to order a new wheel because you can see the offset was fucked up. See how the thickness is right here, and then you look at the one on the car, the offset is flush. It was scrubbing on the right side. You see? So that's what the issue was, fellas. So we're gonna get it right today. Stressful times, bro. But we're finally riding good. We don't have to use no spacers. You can see a better look at it right here in the back. The offset matters. Offset really matters. As y'all can see, it was rubber right here on the control arm. That's why I say it's very important to make sure you get your offsets together. There's rubber right here. Well, other than that, man, we should be Gucci today, bro. We can continue to build, continue the process, man. Stressful times, but that's what you go through as a car enthusiast, man. The Phoenix is dirty. We're gonna leave here and definitely go to the car wash, clean up, get that black back popping, man. Anybody want that, let me know. Yeah, man. And I know she not gonna be tucking right now, but we gotta put them springs on there to get that baby tucking. That might be the next video. Like I said, I got a closet full of parts, man. Closet full of parts. What took paramount most was getting this engine installed. So all in all, we got 2 brand new front rims, and I kept my old rears. I mean, did I want to buy a new rim? No. But you got to do what you got to do to get your fitment together. Like I said, one small little hurdle is not over with. Let's keep it on to the next, Looks good though. Looks damn good. All I can say, fellas, is learn from my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes. I'm just glad it's over with. Because we got that motor build still on the way. And I got a big surprise still on the way. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome, bro.
Now we good. Now we good. Alright. And he ain't tear my rim up. Thank God. Thank you, sir. Now that we can see the fitment is good, baby. Alright, let me go pay the man. Alright guys, it is now the next day. We're going to head over to my little spot I like to film at to just show y'all the final outcome of the fitment. A long 3-week battle with, you know, trying to get these rails mounted, man. It's been hectic, but I learned a valuable lesson. I learned a lot in this process, which is never trust, you know, even though they're a rim place, they're a rim supplier, they're supposed to know these things. Never fully trust what folks tell you. Because, you know, long story short, I basically fixed and diagnosed my own issues and problems. What am I talking about? I'll show y'all exactly, you know, what I'm talking about when I pull up. We finally got these bad boys mounted up, balanced, all that good jazz. And excuse the car, it's dirty right now, but y'all get what's going on, man. So, as I was telling y'all earlier, the offset, I had spaces the first go around on Project Midnight. No spaces here as you can see. But like I said, fitment is key. You don't really want to have to run spaces anyway. So I'm glad that I was able to diagnose to fix my own issue. Basically, this offset is 15 millimeter, in which I have a staggered setup. So it just really threw off everything. It was hitting the control arm, but I'm just glad everything worked itself out. As you can see, we got them big meat Larry Hoovers on the back. The Fat Boy 305s. Man, just look at all that ass. Them yams. Ooh. Look at all them yams. Look at them yams. Ooh. Double cheeked up. Ooh. Man, I love the stance on this car, man. 300s, man. I swear that's the most hated on and non-liked mopar, I swear. You know how I am, bro. The Chargers and the Challenges is just so saturated, but man, boy, I can't tell y'all. Boy, I can't wait to tell y'all and show y'all what your boy got cooking. That bitch bad, ain't she? That's a bad girl. Yeah, man, them brakes got to go. Them calipers got to go. Phoenix, we're gonna get you together, girl. Offset on deck. As you can see, we ain't had no issues in the back with the offset. Everything kind of basically lined up. It was the front that was the issue. But yeah, that's the Fat Boy 305s on the back. And yes, best believe we're gonna do something about that wheel gap. You know, that wheel gap is just terrible. What's that, 3 fingers? Yeah, 3 fingers. So we're definitely gonna do something about that wheel gap. Bird hating on me. They already shitted on me. That's okay, birds. We're gonna get my boy Alien to take care of that. But yeah, man, I'm happy that I'm slowly but surely putting the car back together, man. The stance is gonna be there once I drop this baby down 2 inches. You know I ain't gonna stay stock for long, and I know I said I wasn't gonna do any customization like cosmetic wise until I got the motor put in. We're actually getting ready to get started on that. I know it's been a minute, but finances, people, finances. And you know, my finances is where they need to be to do that. It's well over 10 grand to do what I need to do. I did get this wicker bill put in. You know, I didn't do a video on this because, you know, the owner of Downforce Solutions, you know, this was something personal he did for me. So, you know, I didn't want to really do a video on that. Me and him have a really, really great relationship, and I didn't feel like I wanted to make a video. Plus, you know what I'm saying, it was something personal he did just for me. So I greatly, greatly appreciate him. But yeah, man, there she go. There she goes. She coming back. She coming back. I'm coming back to take what's mine. Slowly but surely, my baby is coming back, man. I'm happy. I'm I'm happy that I'm back behind the camera. I'm happy I'm finally getting my build off the ground just in time for the spring/summer. Hopefully I can hit the track sometime soon. But you know, once the motor get put in and we, you know, dial in and tune everything up, we're gonna be there, man. We're gonna be there. Like I said, I got more stuff in store. I got a closet full of mods and cosmetic stuff, but next up on the slate is definitely dropping this motor in, and I got another surprise on top of the motor, you know, that I ain't letting out the bag just yet. But let's just say we're gonna send it to the moon. That's all I'm gonna say, man. But with that said, man, if it's your first time stopping by, please like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good jazz. It's sunny as hell. Let me get in this car because it's hot. But like I said, man, if it's your first time stopping by, go ahead, hit the thumbs up, share, comment, all that good jazz. And I look forward to getting back behind the camera, man. You know, Project Midnight is RIP to her. We got the Black Phoenix on deck, starting off this thing right, man. So with that said, it's your dog Bad Hemi. We gone, man.